Want serious security without paying for installation? If you've got the tools, the confidence, and a healthy respect for gravity, HVP Security Shutters supply-only service could be exactly what you need. We're HVP Security Shutters based in Exeter, Devon. We've been supplying security shutters for over 34 years. From local businesses to large commercial sites and projects overseas, we build shutters that are made to last. So what does supply only mean? Simple. You get a custom-made shutter delivered to your site with the drawings and fitting instructions you need. Then you install it yourself or use your own contractor. Supply only is perfect for budget-savvy customers who'd rather spend on the project than installation fees. It's also for property pros who know their way around a toolbox, project managers with a trusted contractor, and our international customers across Europe and worldwide. Can you fit a roller shutter yourself? Absolutely. But is it a one-person job on a Saturday afternoon? Usually not. You'll need the right tools, the right fixings, and typically at least 2 people for safe handling. If you're ever unsure, speak to us before you start. We can supply a wide range of shutter solutions, including roller shutters, manual or electric, security grills, and fire-rated shutters where compliance matters, and sliding, folding, and curved shutters too. Here's what you can expect with HVP supply only. Made-to-measure shutters built to your specification, clear drawings and fitting instructions, and phone support from our experienced team. Getting started is straightforward. Request a quote. We manufacture to spec. We deliver. You install. If you want quality shutters, supply-only flexibility and support you can actually rely on, choose HVP Security Shutters. Get in touch for a free quote